Hey friends, if you wish to fix typing delay or lag in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the keyboard troubleshooter if it exists because it was rammed down earlier, but we'll check. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the keyboard troubleshooter if it exists, but since it does not, so we will ignore this. The next solution is to disconnect the keyboard and reconnect it and replace its battery if it is a battery operated keyboard or a Bluetooth keyboard. And then you can update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one, select update driver, search automatically for drivers and update the second one as well. And lastly, you can turn off the filter keys. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select keyboard. And make sure that you have toggled off sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.